Hastanan and welcome to another house tour here in Sintos, Barangay, Villa Cananga. So I'm Jess of DKWT Philippines and Tara of Banico to explore this house for sale. So upon entering the house, you can park your 2 cars here or 1 car na SUV. So napo din ang entrance house and naay pathway. So nindot kayo siya, no? So tara, let's come in. So this house is for sale. So this is the walkway padulong sa imong living area or guest area over here. And proceeding, this is your kitchen and dining area over here. And of course, napotay isa dito ka common toilet and bath over here. So let's explore more of the house. We'll go this area. So naatay isa ka rooms over here. And then napo diri so duha na siya ka room sa ubos. Also here. Diba? And all rooms napo siya CR po niya or toilet and bath. So let's go upstairs for another 2 rooms pod with daghan kay siya terrace or balcony. And also upon usa ka nimo sa second floor, actually open below siya, you can see your guests over here and of course naatay mini terrace diri. So lamit dira magmuni-muni, mag coffee, and of course napod diri sa imong room with common sa toilet and bath. And also here is your terrace. So dako siya terrace, di ba? So unique kasi na house, no? Kaya nga no, all the rooms sa second floor rather, all the rooms in the second floor can na terrace. And diri siya is imong entertainment area or family area diri sa second floor, which is napud siya terrace diri. So diba? Amazing. So the house has many windows, well ventilated kayo siya. And of course, your masters over here with toilet and bath. And also your terrace. So check it out. So diba amazing kayong house, no? So this house is for sale. Tapos nanay mga gamit ani. So if you're looking for this house, very nice, or for more details about it, do message me and I'll be happy to assist. Once again, I'm Jesse Enjoy Case of DKWT Philippines. Thank you for watching.